So here's how to design a classic and vintage tourism poster in Canva. Make sure you watch the video to the end to get the full results. In a new project, add your image to the timeline. Edit the image and remove the background. Go to Elements, search for watercolor. Use the filter to change the color to yellow. Add this watercolor. Rotate it 90 degrees and fit it to the canvas. Show layers and send it backwards. Go to Elements and add some clouds elements. Copy and paste it on the other side. Add your text. Increase the size. Change the color to white. Set the font to rustic printed stamp. Adjust the size. Finally, set the border width to 18 and change the color to white. Now see the final results. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.